Hello world, this is What's Up 290. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you why you should upgrade your amateur radio license from your technician to your general, and then if you want to go for it to your amateur extra. Basically, the privileges you get make it worth it. So, if you wanted to use your amateur radio license to do things like talk over large distances, talk to other countries, etc., you want to get the highest level amateur radio license to be able to talk on the biggest number of frequencies possible, so that you can communicate with as many country people as you can. Of course, if you have the level 3 license, if you have the amateur extra license, which is the top level license here in the States, and you go on frequencies that only people who have the top level license can communicate with and can use in your country, then as far as your country goes, only people who have your top level license will be able to talk to you when you're on those frequencies. But what really makes it worth it is, one, if the bands are crowded, there's a few extra frequencies you can go call CQ on, and also if you want to connect with other countries, what's worth noting is that different countries have different frequencies they can use for their respective licenses. So the higher your current license is, the more and more likely it'll be that you can talk to a country that's allowed to talk on the same frequencies that you're talking on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. To the amateur radio operators out there, my apologies if my explanation's not the cleanest. I'm relatively new to the world of amateur radio, so hope to see you on my channel. That's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.